what really surprised me is that there's almost no one here. And this is the view. This is what we do. We get ourselves in trouble. It took us 30 minutes to get here and it was dark and so cold. Hello from Munduk, Bali. This is Yasmine. I'm currently exploring Bali with my boyfriend Alex, and we will spend the next 2 months here on this beautiful island and all the surroundings. So right now we have just arrived here in Munduk at our homestay. And in the next 2 days I will show you how Munduk looks like and what you can do here around. For now, since we have just arrived, I want to show you the room and how it looks here. So it is a homestay with a very nice view. It is called Aris Homestay, and it also has a warung here where you can eat. This is the beautiful garden, and this is the room.
Look, beautiful. You stay here, you look.
Yeah, so here is the bed, we have a mirror. It's pretty basic. We have water. We bought some strawberries from the road. The sink is out here, and there is the bathroom. We are paying 19 euros for this, which is a bit over our budget, but there are too many tourists right now, so we didn't have so many options to choose from. So we decided to choose this one because of the view, and it seems comfortable. Oh, and we also have breakfast included in this price. And a welcome drink, because the host right now is making us a coffee, which we will have on the terrace. I will show you. And here is the warung, located in the same yard as our accommodation. It's run by the same family. And this is the view. We got 2 welcome drinks, which we chose to be coffees. And now we will have a quick lunch. Yay! And then we will go to explore. Since it's too late for any waterfall or attraction, we decided to walk to a cafe and maybe watch the sunset. And we will spend 15 minutes on the road. I thought I should take you with me to see how this village looks like. Come on, Alex, let's go. Whew. Yeah, we had to climb because the initial plan with the cafe was not great because that place did not have a view to sunset. So now we are trying to find another one. And we are now at a hotel's bar or something. And we hope that this is what we want. It seems like this is the bar. Just 3 tables. Maybe there's more. We still managed to find 1 table, even though there were 3.
To me.
Yes, and you cannot really see, but there is the sunset. Not very visible because there are a lot of clouds here. Unfortunately, we cannot really see the sunset today because it's really cloudy. This bar is really nice. I mean, its location is beautiful for the sunset, and not only, but it's a bit weird because there is no service. Basically, you go to the bar and order, and the security guy told us that it will close at 8, and now they told us that they close at 6:30, and they usually have another bar that opens at sunset, but today it won't open because it's not sunset. So yeah, we will just have a quick drink and then we will leave. Guess who has to walk now home through the dark? Because someone had the idea to walk and not use the scooter, which we have always. Okay.
We do move.
Yeah, but this is what we do. We get ourselves in trouble. Yeah, let's go home.
With me, you never get bored.
Yes, thank you for that. Good morning, it's 7 a.m. We woke up at 5:30 to see the sunrise at the very Insta-famous place near Munduk. It took us 30 minutes to get here and it was dark and so cold. So as an advice, even if it's full season in Bali, it's dry season, bring a coat with you because in the morning, especially here in the north, it gets very cold. So regarding this place, it's called Handara Gate and it's actually entrance to a resort. So it's not a monument in itself, but the Instagram made it really famous, so they started selling tickets. So now the entrance fee is not an entrance fee, it's just a picture tax for 1 minute or however it takes you. It costs 30,000 rupias for one person. And if you, yeah, that's with a camera, but if you want to use a drone, it's 100,000. So imagine that it costs more than getting into a museum or something, which is absurd. At first we thought that if we come at sunrise, we'll shoot two things at once, like we won't pay entrance and there won't be no people, but there are people right now, and second, we still have to pay the entrance because apparently the lady here at the tax office arrives here before the sunrise. But there are not so many people at this hour, so if you still want to take a picture here, it might be better to come before 8 a.m. This lady told us that in the afternoon there is a queue of 1 hour. We came home after the first landmark to have a hot coffee, hot tea and some breakfast because we were so cold. Whew, freezing almost.
Now it's sunny.
Yeah, now it's sunny. It's still not very hot, but now it's okay. And I have a fried rice, Alex has some fried banana, and there we have fruit juices. And after Alex will work for a few minutes or 1 hour, we will head to our next landmarks for today. We have arrived to Banyu waterfall. Actually, we haven't arrived yet. We just parked our scooter in the parking and now we have to walk. Honestly, I have no idea how much we have to walk because first of all, this is not the location we were supposed to go to, because on Google Maps we were getting to another destination, but on our way to find gas we realized that there was a sign where it said this waterfall's name, so we decided to take that road and we are right here at the ticket office. So I will leave you this location in the description so you know where to come, and eventually I'll tell you how much time we spent walking there. So far the road is paved. It looks like this. through a garden with coffee. Here you can see the coffee. Yeah, so I don't know how long it will be because there was a guy there offering to take us with the scooter. I can see that there's a dog barking right there. That's a problem. Yeah. Let me figure this out. I'll come back.
Let me send Alex.
I'll come back to you. Here we found bananas, tiny ones. And we continue walking. What? Ah, banana flower. This is banana flower. Imagine we would have taken the scooter with that guy. The three of us. The three.
Oh, he proposed us to go.
Yes, he said if we want to go with a motorbike. Yeah, I think that all the two of us with him. Maybe, yeah. Three of us here?
No problem.
No. It's nice walking because there's a lot of coffee here and flowers.
A big cow.
A big cow. Moo. Wow, it's so nice.
How many coffee a tree can have? Professional.
Okay, so someone took the scooter. And now we found some goats. Bah!
Meh.
Hello, do you speak English?
How long?
Hello, English?
English, please.
Do you know where the waterfall is? No. Oh. They seem nice, but I guess they don't know English. Okay, bye.
This is how a coffee bean looks like
Whoa.
when it's raw.
Juicy.
Yeah, very juicy.
Whoa.
And after this is being cooked,
Roasted.
and everything, you know.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go see what else we find. Next we found avocados here on the ground. This, the small one and that. Oops. And here is the tree.
It's hard to see, but
Yeah, it's hard to spot them, but we found some.
Yeah, but they are small.
We met with a couple and they said that it's around 20 minutes to go down. So we will see. But it's fine because it's a nice walk. I mean, it's like you're in the botanical garden. We were at the crossroads and we had to choose which way to go. Apparently there are two waterfalls here and we chose to go to the right, and then it became even worse. Here we have some stairs, but it's very, very steep and we have to go down, I think, there. And we don't have water with us. Don't do like us. Take water with you. We can now spot the waterfall, but we still have to go down. And we also found a viewpoint here. I'm not sure you can see anything, but I think there is the north, with the beach on the north side where we are heading tomorrow. So stay with us, that will be in another episode. But yeah, it's very nice right now and I cannot wait to go near the waterfall because it looks very, very nice. we now started descending to the next waterfall, which might be bigger. We don't really know the difference, but I'm sure is another beautiful waterfall. Let's see how it is. I can spot it right there. From this angle it looks smaller than the other one. So there are two waterfalls actually here, and this one is really small, and it looks like a shower, but it's nice. It's a bit dark, but I think you can see it. And then there is the second one right there. I'm getting there. What really surprised me is that there's almost no one here. I don't know if it's the day or the hour, but right now it's around 12 p.m. and we are the only ones here. Look, it's just Alex right there. And I thought that now in the middle of the day it will be crowded, but it's not. Maybe we are just lucky, but I like it. And this is the other waterfall. It's small but very romantic, I would say. Maybe because we are the only ones here, I don't know. It's definitely worth coming here because you'll see a lot of waterfalls, and it's not so crowded as in other parts of Bali. Yeah. I think it started raining, or it's from the waterfall?
Yes, a little bit.
After the waterfall, we went to have lunch in a very nice place with a view over the mountains. We really enjoyed that and we would recommend it to you. We also shot a video with the drone there because the view was very nice. Then we came back home. I know it seems like we didn't do much today because we basically just went to a gate to take pictures and then to a waterfall supposedly, but actually there were more waterfalls and getting to each of them was on a different route, so it took us time. Also we had to shoot a lot of pictures there because it was beautiful. So yeah, we are a bit tired, and now we are just in time for sunset at our homestay. It's very nice right now. We will just chill, and tomorrow we hope, if the weather allows us, to go to another waterfall here nearby, and then we will head to another nice destination to the north. We started our day with a ride to a nearby waterfall. It took us 10 minutes to get here, and yeah, we don't know because on Google Maps again it was a mistake, and we thought we would go all the way down to the waterfall by scooter, but we parked our car in a small parking lot upstairs, and from now we have to go down the stairs. If I'm correct, this waterfall's name is Golden Valley, but this is on Google Maps because right here it's called Munduk waterfall. But it might be because all of the waterfalls here in this area are part of Munduk waterfall. I'm not sure. I'm sorry if I'm not correct. It's early morning right now, and also Google Maps sometimes makes mistakes. We can already spot the waterfall there. but we have a lot more stairs.